Hi, everybody. Welcome to online learning. This is a new adventure for everyone, myself included. So, we're going to have an interesting time getting through this. All right. Just because we're not in school does not mean that school stops. All right. So, every day you're going to have some assignments to do on Schoology, whether it's your math class or your reading class, for a skills class. It just depends on what your schedule says. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to each of your classes and you'll take a look. There'll be a folder with that week's date on it. All right. Assignments will come out Monday. They'll be due Friday. You can do them all in one day or you can do them a little bit every day. That is up to you, just long as they are finished and completed and submitted by Friday. Okay. So you'll go to each week, you look at those assignments. The assignments will have directions. There might be videos to help you do some math problems. There might be some instructions for some writing for your reading and writing classes. Everything is going to be a little different. So just go ahead and take a look at that. I will be available here at the school every day. You can call or email me anytime, and I will call you or email you back when I can. Otherwise, between the hours of 1 and 3, so after lunch, between 1 and 3, I will be available and I'll have my phone on me here at the school, or you can email me, or maybe we can FaceTime if you have any questions, if you're stuck on some homework. So remember, those office hours are between 1 and 3. So, all right. Well, good luck. If you have any questions, let me know.